Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to solve the npm error. Cannot determine executable to run issue when you are creating a tailwindcss project. Let's solve this problem. First, go to the package.json file. Inside dev dependencies, check the version of Tailwinds. If it is version 4, change it to version 3. To do this, open the terminal and run the following command. npm install dtailwinds at 3 postx auto prefixer. Press enter. This will install the required packages and change the Tailwind CSS version. After that, run the following command. npx tailwinds init p. Now the command will run successfully, and it will create tailwind.config.js and postx.config.js files. If this video has solved your problem, please like this video and subscribe to this channel.